Number system lesson 3. Okay, now the question can be asked, how many 2 are there in 100 factorial? Okay, what does this question mean? This question means that in 100 factorial, okay, what is 100 factorial? It is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 up to 100. Okay, and we have to calculate how many 2 will come in 100. It is 1 here, 2 into 2, 4, so 3, 2 or 6 is 2 into 3, and so on. So you have to calculate how many 2's are there. Okay, so if you go by manual method, it is very long method. Okay, so there is a shortcut to do this question. Just write 100 here and 2 here and start doing the LCM. 2 5s are 10, then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. One LCM is left, one remainder is left. Leave the remainder. Okay, just ignore it. Ignore the remainders. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Remainder left, ignore it. Now just add all this, 50 plus 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. You will get it as 97. And this is your answer. How many 2's are there in 100 factorial? 97 2's are there in 100 factorial. This is your answer. When the question comes, how many 3 are there in 100 factorial? How you will do it? 100, just start LCM. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. One remainder left, ignore it. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Remainder 2 left, ignore it. 3 1s are 3. Now add them, 33 plus 11 plus 3 plus 1. This comes out to be 48. So this is your answer. How many 3 are there in 100 factorial? 48. Suppose the question comes, how many 24 are there in 100 factorial? How you will do it? 24 is what? 2 raised to the power 3 into 3. So you have to calculate how many 2's are there in 100 factorial and how many 3's are there. Okay, just calculate it like this method only, which we have done previously. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, comes out 48, and similarly 2 will come out 97. Now you have to calculate how many 2's are there. Okay, so how you will do it? 2 is 2 raised to power 3 in 24 is 2 raised to power 3 into 3. Now just make, this is power 2, power is 3. Okay, and we are given that in 100 factorial power of 2 is 97. So just make 97 as the multiple of 3. How you will do it? 97 is not divisible by 3, right? But 96 is divisible by 3. So we will just remove 1, 2. Okay, just remove this 1, 2. Okay, so it will come out to be 2 into 3 into 32. This comes out to be what? This is 96. So 2 raised to power 96 into 3 raised to power 48, because 3 power is 1. So you can write completely 48. 3 raised to power 48, and the rest, which 1 is left here, you can just leave it like this. 2 left here is 2. Okay, now just take the common. Okay, 2 raised to the power 3 into 3. This is what actually this is 24. Just take the common, and the power common comes out to be what? Lesser power is the common one. That is, the power is 32. And the left out part is what? 48 minus 32 is what? 16. Right. So 3 raised to power 16 left and 2 here. Just ignore this part. Okay, now comes what? 24 raised to power 32. So your answer is 32. Okay, there is a very simple way to do such questions. The thing is, just when you are given that you have to find out the power of something, and it is the composite of two prime numbers. Okay, so just calculate the powers of both. Now 97 and 48. Now power of 3 is power of 2 is what? 3. So just make 97 as the multiple of 3, divide by 3. Ignore the remainder. Ignore the remainder. It comes out to be what? 32, right? And here 48. 3 is 48. Power is 1, so 48 divided by 1 is what? 48 only. So now you have 32 and 48. Answer will be what? Answer is the lowest number will be the answer. So answer is 32. Let's see another example and you will get it more. How many 18 are there in 100 factorial? Okay, now what is 18? 18 is 2 into 9. 9 to the 18, right? 2 into 3 raised to power 2. Now, we have already seen that 100 factorial. How many 2 are there? 97. How many 3 are there? 48. So what is the shortcut method? Divide the power. 97 divided by 1 and 48 divided by 2. Okay, it comes out to be 97. It comes out to be 24. Okay, and if suppose this is 49, suppose it is 49, then you have to leave the remainder or it will again come out to be 24 only. Okay, in here in both this you have to leave the remainder, ignore the remainder part. 97 and 24. Now what is your answer? Our answer is the lowest power, that is this 24. So answer is your 24. This is the shortcut method to solve such questions. How many 10 are there in 100 factorial? Okay, now what is 10? 10 is 2 into 5. Power is 1, right? 2 into 5. Now just find out how many 2 are there in 100 factorial. We have already calculated, it's 97. And how many 5 are in 100 factorial? 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. Total is 24. So how many 5 are there? 24. Now just divide with the power. 2 power is 1, 97 by 1. 5 power is 1, 24 by 1. Which is the lowest power now? 24. So 24 is your answer. Okay. If the question asks us how many zeros are there in 100 factorial. Now, how you will get 0 in any number? By multiplying it with 10, right? For example, if we multiply 2 with 10, we get 20. So how many 0 will get? 1 0. 1 0 implies 1 10, right? So when you will be asked how many zeros are there, in short you have to find out how many 10 are there in any factorial. So in this question you have been asked how many 10 are there in 100 factorial. So what is 10? 10 is what? 2 into 5, and we have already calculated in 100 factorial how many 2's are there? 97. And how many 5 are there? 24. Their power is 1 1. So 97 divided by 1, 24 divided by 1 comes out to be lowest power is 24. So this is your answer. Now let's see another example. How many zeros are there in 50 factorial? It's simple. How many 10 are there in 50 factorial? 10 is what? 2 into 5. Now calculate how many 2 are there in 50 factorial. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Leave remainder. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Again, one remainder, ignore it. So how many 2 are there in 50 factorial? 47. Now let's find out how many 5 are there in 50 factorial. 5 1s are 5, 0, 5 2s are 10. 12. How many 5 raised to 12 are there in 50 factorial? That is power is 1 1. So divide with the power. 47 divided by 1, 12 divided by 1. Lowest power comes out to be 12. So 12 is your answer. So how many zeros are there in 100 factorial? 12 zeros are there in 50 factorial. That is 12 tens are there in 50 factorial. This is very important question. These types of question asked in many exams. How many zeros are there in any factorial?